Well, hello, and welcome back to another edition of Alex's Boho Chic wardrobe. Thank you so much for popping in today. If you've seen the thumbnail, you'll know that what we're doing is popping together a super simple little boho outfit, very modern, very easygoing, and very nice for this end of summer kind of era. So, are you ready? Should we take a look at what we're looking at today? I've got a couple of things that I want to bring in for you. Now, the first is this bra. Actually, it's not got anything to do with it. So I'm currently wearing one of these bras right now. This is from Temu. It is the most amazing sculpting bra. Now, it's not for every shape out there. I would say if you're quite heavy chested, quite full on the front, maybe with a bit of side boob, it's not bad if you want to pull them in and reshape them. I'll show you mine in a moment. But as you can see, it's got this lovely wide wired space between, which means you can wear really plungy, nice outfits and it doesn't show. It's also got this brilliant cutout here where it comes over, covers the offending nipples, but also comes up and sweeps around the edges. Really great, comes in really big sizes, although I have to say they don't look big because obviously this isn't covering a great deal of boob. It's all about pushing it to the middle and making it look a really good shape. So that's the neutral one I've got, but I am going to show you the white one that I'm wearing in a moment. Now today we're going to go with the most fabulously simple outfit, white cami, and I've gone with a silk cami with a bit of lace on it, mainly because lace is super trendy at the moment, so we want to incorporate all the modern trends. I've hung my earrings on here, I'm going to put those on. I'm going very boho with feathers and beads on the ears, and then some simple wide leg trousers, well, jeans, and then a little lace overlay. So shall we put this outfit together? I think we should start with the earrings, seeing as they're hanging on the back of the top. So we can pop those in and give you a really good close-up and view. I have to say, the lighting's fabulous today. Who did this? We're going into winter, and of course we're going to lose all the good lighting soon, so it's all going to go back to fake lighting again, which I absolutely hate. So, beautiful, big earrings. Statement, because we're going simple with just a cami and jeans. Let's put these jeans on. Once again, I've gone for a wide leg, and when we talk about mid-size fashion, God, I'm so sorry, I didn't even introduce myself. Hi, I'm Alex Keeper, mid-size, middle-age model who's also a dominatrix on the side, but we don't talk about that here. That's for my other pages. So what I was going to say is, when you get to middle-age and the middle spreads, you want something that's got a bit of give in it. So these have got a lovely stretch in them, and I think if you're going to go for jeans at this stage, it's a good idea. So we're going to slip these on. I'm going to put the whole outfit together right in front of you. I think that's super important. We're going to do a little turn so YouTube doesn't get upset with me buttoning it up. All right, so all in, as you can see, lovely fit, nice little pockets in there. Right, we're also going to come in today with these beauties. Very simple, very easy to wear. Rope style. I always have a bit of a rise on the back of my sandals. That's because I suffer with a bit of plantar fasciitis. I think that's how they call it. I think that's what they call it. Plantar fasciitis? Whatever it is. Anyway, gives me a lovely rise, makes my jeans sit at a great little level. Let's get that cami top. And let's do a little try on with it. So I want to show you this bra, just making sure everything is tidy for YouTube. I want to show you this because I want you to understand how brilliant it is for a top like this. So this top has got a slight V at the front with the lace. Very light and shift top there. I'm going to take this off, and I want to be able to show you just how good this bra is. So it covers up, as I said, all of the areas. It's plain, you can wear it under a t-shirt, it's going to give you an amazing lift. Thin straps as well, which is also great if you're wearing a very light cami like this. You don't want big fat straps sticking out on it, do you? There is a place for fat straps, we know that, 100% if you're a larger lady with bigger boobs. But look at that. Look how flattering that bra looks underneath there. It's fantastic, right? Now we're going to do a French tuck on this today. French tuck being we just pop in the front there and pull it out a little bit and just allow it to softly fall so it's long at the back, shorter at the front. I think that's perfectly flattering. Then I did say to you I had a great little crocheted number. This was from Temu as well. Do you know, all of my crochets this year I've actually ended up getting from Temu. Unless you have an amazing auntie or cousin or friend that does beautiful crochet work, this is a really good option for you if you're looking for easy wear. Look at this. Look at the shape. The waterfall on this is stunning. So we've got that French tuck, which gives you a lovely, good mid-length on the body. I know, us mid-sized girls, we don't always want to show the middle, but actually by accentuating the smaller part of the body, you are going to look a lot more evenly put together. Okay, a little spin. Look at that. This is the back of the crochet. Look how pretty it falls against the lace. I would say this is the perfect, easy throw together outfit. Now you don't have to have a satin chemise. You could have anything. You could have a cami, you could have a t-shirt. Just keep it with the v-neck if you're going to have something that's got a waterfall on it, especially if you're a bit heavier chested. I know it is so tempting to cover them up. Cover them up to here, but actually sometimes we can look a lot larger because there's not enough V flesh. So if you are larger busted, my big recommendation today, over 40, be brave and go v-neck. V-neck, round neck, anything that gives you just a bit of flesh here will just elongate the body and stop you looking quite so wide across the top. A lot of people are scared when they're bigger to wear white, but me, I'm a huge advocate for it. So I would love to know in the comments today, what do you think of the outfit? Are we loving these earrings? Oh, and I forgot to ask you, comments please. I went a bit crazy today, it's a bit rogue. Look at this bonkers makeup. Blue. Yep, blue. Now, do you think that a woman over the age of 45, 48 should be wearing blue makeup? Because I do. But you'll put it down in the comments. Do you think it works? Is it bonkers? Or is it just pulling the whole outfit together? Thank you so much for being here with me today. Happy listening, everybody. Have an amazing day. Not much else to say. I'll see you very, very soon. Happy listening, my angels. And do let me know in the comments, what do you think? Could you throw this outfit together from your wardrobe?